Me go to that. Me they eat my breakfast. Me they. E bere wo re. Ah, na wa so wa go na yo ta no ya me. As you listen from different platforms, you go write it down. You no go forget. Now I have a you know. So about Dorishi and Omo matter. And when we tell you, I said you don't tell where the girl Omo herself they try bring the matter come out for social media. You know. As it be say, they don't go juju place for the matter. Okay. So they do I can't tell the guys, say make the guy know the juju people. Can't tell the guy, say make the guy know the matter come out for social media. My question for the juju people be say, now they want to tell the girl where the girl for talk the matter. Why they don't give the girl justice? Why they don't give the girl justice? I may give the rich justice. So they telling the girl, no can go anywhere else. You know, that is the part where I start for the people. You know, the matter where they suppose judge they grant. Yeah, not so near. Yeah, taking a economic Gwenezo or no, the Omo here Google. That not supposed to be the discussion. You know, and we go and we walk and we moto. I saw na Maria Webo. Econo. A boy, top give a dead girl. Oh, yes, Maria Webo. This is maybe justice, and it's not a position. Okay, Maria Webo, ni give you know, tell her time now. Every great talent, anybody, every great grace on her. But again, if since the girl the says she never get justice, you can never stop her not to cry. Anybody that will care to listen to her cry or plead for justice, then she will speak to them. She will speak to those people. You know. She will continue to speak to those guys. You know, one American question about do larger with social media now. Do I love your do I love your Dorishi? A bokia, do that way any cover with Zeno Yane. O manaka Zeno, Obemanaka Ebu, Jackum very off. O provoke very off. Egbe kun we very well one week back why to the essay we get insulted the woman who get insulted the Dorishi. No. Oh, back up where you ne. Oh, I mean question Latin. Awa. Iya meti yigie ya sowo ne bla boy. Iya meti yigie ya legizard ne bla boy. Iya meti yigie ya fried dodo ne bla boy. Ta. Enyo kawa. Enyo kaze iya ze. Ah, iya ze to bi agien. Iya wa duwe ni. Wọ́n lè ní ẹgbẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ẹ̀yà àdórí social media máa ń wáyé lájíyàn rẹ̀ ní àná ni. So máa kàkà bọ́ so yá mẹ́tí dò lájíyàn yẹn wá ẹ̀wọ̀n ta. Ẹni ká duwe ni. When I hear òkú no lé Europe country rẹ̀ ní òfin de black boy ni. O mẹ́tí fẹ́ you can never swear. So one is wàá ìròyìn mwébọ̀ gbèdìgẹ́ mwébọ̀ gbèdọ̀ríṣì because at the end of the day solution lẹ́wà lájíyàn. Solution will not come from there. You understand? I don't know how to require. Even a don't reach it to boy, okay, why would you require? I understand. You to be a one in or one in a dashini. You know what you walk away, my yore or phone. My man did the rich being an adoma beer. A boy to boy, maybe I'm not be on railway. Ye the original view in Nigeria in manager ever where. O one in ye go get any singing. Or phone 6 feet in I'm with you one I'm with you. I'm well the original in a local can ye reasoning. On a ragbon, or sim you was in your toss in you go. Kate you go na mahua. Or men have been seeing me, my brother. I understand. Am I very anywhere with social media matter now? A noon way the girl joke my owner. Even the matter very clear. Say when the Dimorphy update the audio, they get together life. They know the way the video mine. Unless you start cannot call you way. As you standing away, hotel or one. The sister in a house no be hotel when you why away or one. Away okay why I sunuena. Away on motor boy, give me ramage. Ono do a ile don rishi. You know? So the original why Nigeria ni. Oye Nigeria, eri omo ya mu di money ne okay. Ogunya Igbo wa. No it omo we the rishi Igbo ni, the original aye ne boy. Bia do. Awu ya wa na. Oja ata. Omogi mu go le Dorishi, we Dorishi. Aso we Dorishi ade rigi. China, rigi China. Dorishi ade rigi China, o de ipe abo money. Ona igari opine. Oni na igafi we agbora mame o mate mare ye, o mai mare ye. Omo na igafi we okay. Ti Dorishi na ikugbe na o. One more, we might do more, we might the woman, might do the woman, and yet I coin. Okay, we are not already many, meaning or engaging many. Well, engagement meaning where you marry a little away. So, I'm going to Rishi Gumeya Bowa Bowa, maybe Nigeria, ye may be. I can't go home. I don't have parents back home. Ego omo ego hunu wa mi go no. O ke gbe mu ne boy na no engage me na. We ya we mi ko me wo wa. E Dorishi gi bo kwa ni na ka ye yin ya boy. Dorishi. Ikata na mama eni nu wa o. O ga ri ono ufidon. E Dorishi na ka ye yin e bo wa ni. One is a roofing level, a picture in my main and the more feature a platform, okay? You know, the more another 30-something thousand euro. You know, the more Dorishi na me 30-something thousand euro, close to 40,000 euro. A Dorishi na me omo we I ask for business. Oh, I'm motor ni egi dele. Not the motor ya. Ke moto ni ate wo ke ya ibie ne we boy moto ni ya amwe mo ye school we ya wa plan ya you know wa it the law the original wa kun ya fe na mo ade Nigeria 39,000 the original we the original ya you go ni ya complete one more no more boss e roofing level ni oyi boy for ne omo ma ege ni the original wa ya we kero ade you Dorishi is settle me ya Dorishi anyway yes obiyan ba bi ne we trailer ne omo mu go ne Dorishi o wuti mu go no la dun we trailer ona de no pa Dorishi gi bere ne we ewi assettle ne be sadi ewi ya rap ne Dorishi na do awo mo pano ola do apano omo no te wa neun Dorishi wa we he na wa senti e we a omo ga iba wa to lo nwe kekan wa pano ona iga we pano ona iga we pano ha ono Dorishi na iga find ways no here igiamo kwa no mota e ma ya gwa na mama yenu no Dorishi ye na iga find ways ni he ya ifiamo fo ye settle ne ye break off flat begedege ne ye boy oh you got what 35,000 30,000 euro money in close to 40,000 or do a trailer head or the other cars or that motor of a jeep to Kevia or the lay the rich area in Nigeria the rich you succeed in there on a way again or we equal more or we again yao in fact, are we in Europe? Not be again in Europe. Wow. Ona iwo mo gi we o we karata. Awa e mo yin me gi marry. You know? Don't reach my brother. Where? We call where? You go na ya do Tony do bo wani. You go mono. Kebe where? Omo you go ni no nu gun ya bo wa yen. Nu ya bo wa nu ya happy yen bo wa. O po we nu ya gbe ni we yo wani ko so we. Alright, say look where a boy they talk more large and buy on monado where the rich want buy a land, I can't support them. That one a different matter. When the rich want build the house, I can't support them. That one a different matter. That way, or maybe I'm not the worker. With the rich here, I don't talk. You know, you go buy go only look at as only you will love for work and what support bye gini you only it's only good. We are support a love who are a relationship. You can never maybe the rich boy why here a the rich boy here Omona Doria you go know the rich you wanna buy go yeah I support you as my girlfriend or as your girlfriend or as your fiance. I supported the rich as only a gummy I saw we got moya daughter. You got moya but we say roofing level. You got more the rich a complete warning. Eni omo keke no ro wani because amane ro pa na omo ya ha me dori so wa na ni wa bo no gwe no gbe ni weyo ogwe no wonya gbe ni weyo so dori shi o wa ni ogwe my brother o wa ni ogwe me do bien o I hope u bien mana bie o ga gbe kia ni wahara ekiweni explain we ya o ya hiamame oye logo imetam we oye logo ruda we owo na nanya omo o my marry she's very bitter, she's very hungry. In fact omo ga me no gbuwe do rishi egi yeke oya kan we ruda we o we etie we zo we botany tabaka Kisli Oba marketing o we ana dey with the matter. Okay, maybe what to power baje, it's a site of power baje, and maybe we can wanna kind be on a meha. Ubere, on your say bonia to niagiti, you talk of them what I hear all. On your way, I was area where I was so back. Oh, we are not was area, I was so back. You know, with malo, you have me where as on now. I attack with social media, I attack along anybody, I go matter. Well, one kia no ba ti mu omomu okay do ya begedege wa yore we wa okay ai gwedi matter e matter Dorishi amariya be o bien cause yan ta eyan yan wa yan you sen uye Colombia uye Brazil uye Satoromigo ya we champ me dem matter no social media manahin ya amariya be iga kawu dan ya tie bono to umana tie be to understand within you in your inside your mind when the only way from the initial stage okona mu no nugun ya bo wa yin to bob well na the when the one na ya support you to doctor one the one na ya support you that was not the issue, that was not the case. Okona imagine owiye were guyebo from the end, from the beginning, from the sunset. Owiye were guyebo unless we mane wo panu ya go na plan where ya bo wana fone edmugo me ya some business ne ya some business scenario e don marry we any me do settle down o mana go plan radio ofo uragwe weni ya ogwoni na sameke kan yunu don rishi ameke kan na same yunu ona bano ya dan na ogiaso gen ona mu ebogbo e de no ya tie boni ora tie won kan anything already ta almost so egbe because within you where get matter no go wani o we get yon yawa go where unweverio. You understand? So what planning ya? Dunya ko wa ya gwale we no ya tie we ogwana do mu no mu ahia. Cause when you make it word we ma word that why dey get what I me get me give me maru well. So me ma ya college wo we dey get any ko get any the original babu we ajo no lare yan maru we opposite we. I mean no ya we ya for him to just throw you away to trash you. It's not pataki also nunya for him to trash you after what sorted the meal with 30,000 euro ne or more gede or via trailer head of via motor via ya fefene ona if you work for how many years now. So bang head the way la re yan adi o understand. So the ratio okwo ni onyawa okwo ni onyawa Iye we the original be yoko ni obo. When on yasu ni opa mama me no do explain on say when the original agbe ne be we don't our mouth understand say on like me be your obo. Meaning where omo me be the original how many years we had that omo before ko do ring ne? How many years we had that you know? Before we can engage the woman. Calculate no years. No milk 1 year. And we are given false promises. We're not going to we're not going deep down. You are not going to marry her. When I dog you more traffic with him. Because you go there, all more in where a guess he pay. Dorishi. Igo no mo wa juwe kwanu we. Ave guessing ya pay gbe go the name madam. Aga my brother. Aga omoya maybe she should be around 40s now when akwana 40 something years woman. 40 something year old woman. We not tayo. Am I married? Dorishi. Am I be Don Rishi. Elebe Don Rishi. Don Rishi. Aya defe wa. Awa wa fi mote do pe mote Dangote wa gwa weri. Oh one we see me now my brother at the end we hey sunu da wani. Ado aha yera ijo ado abo we wani wa ran la wa agwa the original owner of that house. A pastor no is so there is my one go wonya Rishi close to 40,000 euro on my beer. No there trailer head the limoto ya if you're okay when we ever koko ya magbon maybe for I'm no bo obiara gijena she's not happy. A woman like that, she can go to any length. She is ready to go to any length. Dorishi, she's ready to do anything undo. At this point, I have nothing to lose. I don't have children anyways. Better. So you now ask yourself, Rishi, where does that really work? You going to hear ya as ya boss. You going to hear ya is ya boss. Yek buwo we don't want no man here. Would that where you want to use Agbari to collect something that does not belong to you? Does that really worth it? That is what you should be thinking about. Because if you are testing whether I need to get we prove you when we are the one, a prove you when we are sent. That is the only way she can go legally. Or now I may prove a video, maybe you decide now a picture, a video, a message, exchange the ratio. Okay, we don't know why the boss estimated the ratio guy said the good. We have printed like a view you find ya have your as evidence. Okay, the estimate going, estimate another going to be plumber. going ye beniwe arege ye estimate no dey going enemy ye beniwe ascend sis ero ma we love anyo video agbon yo to le ma se ba jo la je we ya de kuvire wa jo eme agbon yo to I calculate I make capital le gbe ma understand so when we call we Dorishi you know the truth of the matter you gonna ya do Tony when go we you gonna ya lay foundation or we you gonna ya with deki or we you gonna ya roof or we you gonna we maintenance or we Dorishi motor we for Nigeria or do Dorishi everyone wicked here. Everyone wicked here. How can you do this to your fellow Edo sister? How go again to my brother? Don't you make who damage your life for her? Who damage your life for her? You made a little you make someone to prostitute for you for years. Nobody will bashawo. No ya bashawo you go no ya begedege. One no ya bashawo ya the trailer head. One no ya bashawo ya the lave tuko ave boss model. One no ya bashawo no ya ko 30,000 euro ona munu my brother ume maido ekuwe wa hamwewe na ya fefen we una you can go scot free You know, sister here, where you can go scot free, where you can go scot free. You know, even though we have some business, you go near to here Latin. Oh, anyone to Salobwa. Oh, and about the way, Dorishi go give her my money. You go in or all. Now they never know have some business. Only Latin. Only Barney. And Omo, you go to war with CI. Immortal no television, we are sending ya. Was CI. Only we made a sacrifice we make during your friendship, relationship, engagements. Mami one run in my beg any. Dorishi, how many would it be? Dorishi, why the move your mayore, and you know what belly, most of the men in the way. Here are the yore. What you motor, then do get you know what guide. I hear you no or see your egg. As I walk in, we're going to Dorishi Abo Wabaya or why, mammy. You may double one, you may do my ball, a picture raw when my picture. As on I ever gathered with video, I bought your way on my ball, what's the here? I saw what my bell one in Mutia. You go get a gun, or ya boy, you gonna be Dorishi complete. So Dorishi or one Munenoya wa no yes no waste no ya the engagement ring in no ya marry no ya be no be amegu boy agbe yobo we no ya won ye mama e di ma ho social media when I hear na yes sister ni ya o ma mi odo e gbo igbe aja yin hey jimi you know o ma mi odo o ma e bie e me bebe we bo after you go rere Dorishi Yao enegwe matana obon ezeso won yiko avian when afife we fi wo me ti gwe gbegbe matana but deep down when go wani go wo yabo wo yan we ni kata ba we na me we no taye yan we Dorishi adoto ona when he say he want buy land I can't give am money to support am make case we Dorishi come dey build a house when you win work Dorishi mi go wana lawo wo egumi abo well okay when Dorishi dey build the house I can't support her with money that one a different case you understand maybe we dey go Nigeria concept maybe we back away to of us go use whatever now ya here ya or you better you get motor no mi motor you know a catch no dey Dorishi wa ave mi all money it has to give you your property back. Ogbeni e ma gbeni e ya fi ni e were ko si e wo wa ni eyun yan e kine Dorishi le dona ivi yo wa we du e dama ivi ro wa we du e ro wa we do yo wa we du e yan wa du e we wa go no video go we bo wa no de ni e yo uri go jobiera la wo ogun medoto idoto o he idoto ni an o ya ye ni edoto erere so we do amira ni ga ewu o ye no do agwe no nya wasi si hu whereas era te de nyo by mistake in era made we do era we bo he idoto magbe no we yo na ya gbe ni ejo so you know what do e do Richard so we again am shut up again that means she is still very bitter. She is still very bitter. Forget social media. Anybody that come to insult her, that will not stop her from still doing whatever she want to do to you. Because again, where a property no here no. I understand. So, sister Omo, I don't know how many years it takes them to date Don Rishi. What made a ring in one? Onu boje o ide ring no o be ring no wa ye gbagbera. O ma bia you go nice so. Ibi ba iko na iba mie na ya. Ke gba ya engage ya. Iye wa we marriage dade. Ma engage many more. Ayi gba ni engage okwe Nigeria ya je ya rebo. Ba ya na mie we bo one or two but so ayi mi video kere no we hara social media. Nigeria most me wa ye wa propose. Hoko igba ni rawe bonyange. Aka ya kwe okwo ni se okwo no marriage dade. Cause what do when yogi magele ye a church madinya ya amaro oku ya ile lokoni for 3-4 years yeah they will take their time brother when you or rush the men they will not wait for the men to propose to them on a marriage for a year a marriage there cause okwoni ma obiani amare obiani ma we oponi amare ay maro woni ne karate so do akara la jon do wi jeme okwona ya amare eso tan ya awu and ya amwe BP okwoni obiani ya amare eso tan ya awu most of the women all you go that day obiani ajobo kamia we ye me go ni aya we marriage oh we worry you go gunye iya you go wa gunye okwoni gele ya si go ay we marriage for nerio oh dori atete o na pia ni hian eri yan si ge marriage o igo na ya le roro na ya le fry yan zo igo ne kaka na pe ya muyare ekeni ya na ya we ne marriage you we pay the driver you pay no na agi wa we desperado me tie ni ya desperado no desperado you are here you carry your toto enter you go do prostitute for how many years my sister iya umebe okake no kwa amwe my sister ge kwa amwe igo re we mu ne Don Rishi ni esu we ya we contract we ma ya te contractor we boni ya no egba ge we ya Don Rishi ge le contractor o wa ye move ni boya mi bere ni o wa ye move re ni maybe re na ya oloro ni ko sari o ba yi wa gba okoto iya eno iri wo ya eno ife kun abo kuya gwale bemie we no wa mu go rere no we na bere webo we mu go rere no ya bo wa ho we wa no bo ho when you cannot even travel down here can I when I say we ma gwale bere webo Don Rishi we mu go na only Nigeria na jugbo Don Rishi na ya Nigeria na yoko yoko we na have ma una ha okay when this time I go marry you before when did say you say that man get marry you before? Don't I? The man when you meet, they do prostitution. Not tell you something you come out and me go start school. Me go look for decent job to do. The man say they tell you say now say you want buy trailer head. Now say you need 30,000 euro. You can't borrow for him. Now so you need this one. Now so you need this one. Now so you want buy car. They will not find way and we know what you walk away at it. Una wa bon we here na Don Rishi. I don't get there devil ya. I don't get the way what you call put on you so. What you call put on that Don Rishi then lie then Nigeria they enjoy ass we no build. Is then Nigeria they drive car we no buy. Don Rishi. Udiji. Oh well what is your matter now? My brother. I want no for that guy to who contact Tony Kabaka them. He say he can send is 700 or 800,000. Omo we call you. Kabaka where you go gain a lawyer no abe judge no. Then they say what ya time? When Kabaka ya go then say what ya time? ana ba do mewe otu okpanya wa dorishi yi aizo ni yan we me owe tabaka na we igo ni ge tu we teri igo ni yan ni aya agbe dorishi wa o ba yan then now change the matter and na ifia we you obo o ba kini ado na ifia matter ni we you obo. They can easily go to the police. Evidence around we are galeri go ni gian. Well, this woman, the contract you're not winning now. Well, I will lie never. Who will want lie never? You see the matter? You they use your total they work money for more. You no get documents. You don't use the money to pursue your own document for yourself. And we can't do any webo. That's why you the one who with document. When I koko nika una the ticket na hari ogwa wa hia doto wo to no ade ugwa le lawyer ugbebe yo amuni we yo uwe ya we kwa we here that time we do edorisha amowa mo bo hia mo o to no wa pe de no gbe niji han e ma ye miya ma bo no we ni edeje o we we ma de gbe niji kakaka enu woro we ma no egbe ya we si ofo ho no we si ofo jo. When the matter na yena, the guy will go spiritual. Because I get you cut. Evidence. In your even no no get ugly the spiritual, you know. Get here illa. See me feel studying the direction do that way. Make where. You know you think one way me down. Echo well okay judge you well. E do we come agbo my room. Echo walk agbo Dorishi. Because you know the down. Where the arrangement where now bo don't talk me bo wa ko me ra no when he wa don't talk me agbeni we yo. So you know you wrong that lady for promising her marriage at the end of the day una there for till today when he marry o my bie Dorishi amo saloboa make you dey fear God no matter about you ki e do amari ya be mi o amari abe o be deep down your mind, you know what one you want. Again, you be a girl, or you are one robber. Ain't no one ya we go. Ain't no one ya walling, never. Man, understand to him go, you wanna walk or ya hair, that is not the issue. Man, understand. It may blame mama wherever you were, be a girl, where they be, what 1,000 in it, for what? When my wall be, when my wall be, when my wall, what's an agbekoboko? You not find documents. You not find paper. You not settle your life. You not settle yourself. You carry money they give don't reach 1,000. And don't reach it where you want only a document. My sister. Remember, come on, juju that they use. This one not juju. A juju one him. And don't reach it where you wear we won't get only a benoya Nigeria when I yokowa. Immortal where you go there in Dorishi near Bombay, Nigeria. I will not do immortal with few away Bumanaya. Okay, maybe I will some macra. Offie, a boy, we're quite a immortal with Europe, but when you away, who won't add the immortal behind. I will immortal get again at Egypt with the lawyer Mune Biane. Yanoma Muyo or Numa Biena or whatever. Dorishi, I walk on one of your video. Oh, woman, I be no be out. Then you right no here your property. No here your property. My understand. Women right in it. Awa. I'm over here. I will go to any length. Yeah, it go agbe. Wallahi. Anyway, it boy ya go no women must away. If you are a prophet, una you don't open your door. I'm where. Oh, one animal begging now. Oh, night. Where are the I did almost for foreign or tie or one for. Oh, boy, begging, they cannot tell you their name. Yeah, my hand. Oh, one for none, my begging. Oh, boku, my begging. With it, a prophet where there is a woman. There is a woman somewhere. There is where are he? A woman, so no woman, Wogija, Mawani or Wohera not to target, and we are Bavera, over here. Oh, send engagement. Dorishi. Go and give that lady her property. Go and give her ime go no mu no ya we business oni ogwe gi ni hin lucky we no ime motor no television we wo hin ya motor view ahia mami property ore ni my brother we ko mu ne don make no mo na egba we no ya ran we don ye yin ti no ewu cause e be my brother they never dark understand e be my go and give her a property back. Oh, you know deep down where that is the truth of the matter. I don't why I will make why now. My brother, go and give her a property back. One bullet will go one. Or we go one, my brother. In Nigeria, imagine. I know we have more pole gag be. Over our here, I will be more pole. Every more pole leg beba. Every more poya gade weba. When I go for wine, walk freely. I hear every more pole leg. I understand. So Dorishi, you have wronged her. You have wronged her for you to even waste a time on my marriage. Only look, it was so you be here. I don't want to marry ya. Or you ring me. Or my marry when I am married one way. Hey, wait, when you here by your name. Maybe on what you okay? On ya book me and kia. On ya beg de gela walk umebo. Why Dorishi no ya been wager? When I aggressive, eh? Why do we trailer? Why do we get you on a day on a moon? Dorishi! Everywhere who we are very Dorishi! Adana! Dorishi! Oh, you have to be very careful. You have to be careful. Go and give her a property. I bet love is say, I want to go here for what you trust to wear. Or not, we not is your ball. We're here for what would I bet you wear shop. How will you wear? How will you wear Dorishi? Immortal of your way, if you are here, more time now, I ain't tie. Because the motor in here, you expect a wall of the motor near. It do a cash not in where they are here. Our belly go all around. Mamma, one own walk any, and you are all anywhere, one eye. Understand? So I'm a wide and what it be. One more wide and what it be. Wow. Let me read this. Where is the evidence she gave Dorishi money? Tell me they can't work where Dorishi don't work for Europe. And where Dorishi build that house. Dorishi Mauna then she throw down. In fact, Dorishi is a chronic centro. And Dorishi got all you one get here, yeah boy. When the Dorishi have a boy. I video Miami on. All we hear Dorishi. They all we are here. They know we are here. The Dorishi. In another year. Well, one ananya. Then you need Dorishi of the Leku when you have one da. Ah, the David. Oh, we need David. Oh, the body still very gaggy. Oh, we are very yore. Oh, we are one man. Boy, I should love my Yako. Oh, you call you. Oh, you. Oh, you are dear. I don't feel budget. I don't know if you are here. Now you can't win. Oh, we are very here, baby. When the Dorishi be boy born over. I'm sorry, I was so bad. They're not saying like malo. We are not malo. Because the Dorishi here. Where yes. You gonna have one again lady trust I saw where already in I'm moving a gray apple. Why don't you have many angel? I got nearly 40,000 euro on me, the lady. I didn't know where me don't know. Got planning life. That is what the girl was thinking. As a woman, I can tell, I know. But I need my reason. I just could be an know. Get planning life. That is what she was doing. Dorishi yes, me ya clicking eh. I do away mano. Dorishi, you know within your heart. Enough your atom. On me buy car. On here me buy house. I be your I love it. Oh, I will not buy we not tie. Maybe you want to get any man no. She will keep every document. She will document everything. Oh no, a fiance. Oh, it was all right. Baby, you don't trust me. Why you going? Okay, trust him. We are your boy. We give me ravage. Don't she go me She collected the lady's property, her money. Dorisha wasted the lady's time. Ale honi magwaka na Dorisha o ma ye bi o ma ye won da me how many years? Honi a total do we, ah? Igo rere niyen ho awebo. Obu we ne Dorisha oye. O wa niyen bo we ne Dorisha we miye. My brother. Use your tongue to count your account. Yawe we akakonoru onu Yawe we ave baba gbogbo li se no sameno ya ho ni. Ameni a ofeli we cause deep down we go wani o wo yan. When you talk when you go no gume ya bobo na ya gbe no, you know that is the matter. It's for your own good to return a property. Or even moto television well view rien. Or even cash no wa carry anyway. They are here. Mami wani eja we wujo do my bob we onu bo we gbe aje we bo don winner to gwali winner no save go we ya bob we gbe yo hono right 3 bedroom bungalow bo we lawe and u ye fan ru da we igo we ha bose se ye gbu won ru do were nu mu all too much gbe at the end 650 ye we no ogwa no mmori eropa So if the data I'm married, you don't marry now, you don't move on. You might move on. I can waste your more. He's still looking at you from Uria. Ubere, might move on. She's still very hungry. She's bitter whenever she will remember. I don't know je were ebonomu boy. Dorishi, you cannot do this to anybody. Do we no one know ya vie? Nere mina or mina me or mina or me oh yeah if you have quiet. Dorishi, way what you did was totally wrong. So social media na maje. If you are more bena laje, where destiny girl, they are blackmailing. Monica like the platform again. I will video about why destiny me 1,000 euro hada. Our destiny me 1,000. I Monica 1,003. I pay 1,008. 1,008 euro hana. We are not talking about 100 trailer head 1,080 you have money. 100 GP 1,080. 1,080 and I beg again. Don't you call your talk? Rudani. I've got daughter got more than a suma. Ena the nickel picture book many and the latter. Even when one girl when you wear destiny have a date near what a bedroom. Only not calling a platform at the Mofido. Only had is it 3,000 4,000 on the art well. Worrying ye 3,000 4,000. Or mamma gonna have wow. Or mamma gonna have the trailer head or mamma 40,000 no. So I got daughter got more than the suma. A video and got more than an hour with Tawi got more than the daughter in your money. Yeah, now the nickel picture Benny and the Latia. Oh, now the nickel picture like with social media. The reason why where here out Benny tell where I see it beg by war. No Benny has signed a lagoon. That was the yeah, it is your baron, no where. That was the reason. I don't know where my womb. I understand. That is the reason. I don't give you idea there. Then if you are more than 1,003. If you don't Monica wow no vara about 6,000 euro and water. That was 6,000 euro. Any wa gbe lele ya here. To the extent Curtis born the way video of in Nigeria. I may go to collect 5,000 6,000 euro from women. What don't Dorishi in a beku yewo. But they give me the same if you are more than the large way. Or where destiny mammy go. Or we marry go there. But with Danny, Ojia, the nickel picture, be large. I did this, what you got, Manupiani. Where he was on ya, well, when I want your more, I'm your me again. Dorishi, may I walk one in there? Oh, when you be again, you know, what you call it here. Well, where are you now? What are you doing? What are you thinking? Are you so wicked? Are you this evil, Dorishi? This is terrible. Oh no, I'm going to when I when you was season one. For what? Oh, no, I'm not bien. I'm we are not having my work. I'm bien, my work up, oh, marry, I'm not bien, or how no, or how I know, so anything not belong to how bueno. That is not the issue. Only reason we have the proprietary, I have not yet, women reasoning. The motor of that, if you know, if you are here, that cash not in where you're in it. Mammy, one or more wine, my deba and web of boy. Madame more wine. Madame Mune. Unless any my video, you may ask here about your boy above it. Go one and go, you go, your boy. Understand? Oh, you have there, go one amount close to 40,000 euro. Oh, you have there, go one amount motor of your way. I am man, and if not be juju, oh, we Dorishi. Well, don't be able to get away with Dorishi. They also when I go a plan. Oh, you don't get paper. You don't work all this money. When you be. Oh, you be. When I go see you, when you're Nigerian, oh, when we're here, and you get China. When I go see you, when I am maybe when Nigeria will you go to where I can, and when you're the leg, wherever here, why I place in Nigeria. Because you have plans, or you know, from the beginning. And when we had a Jamie Yanni, plan Yanni, what return that lady's property to her, Dorishi. About your Maguma, pitch when me tell me move your time, and boy, we make now on that Dorishi. Dorishi go and return a property to her. No matter what you key. The man, my brother, be my ho. I told you about my fear with Yemila. Understand? It will destroy your throat for you. Go and return a property. You are an evil somebody, evil fellow. Ona mi so e la janya. Idi batane, idewune. Kiyan yan fi we to gba ni me gbin asentroni. Okodo obenu we wi yo biro na. Ona ye ti we ye wona ya mu goje wo hu. Omo na ye do lalaji an gbin so omo we lalaji. Ogun beni ma go we control. Maybe marriage ni me work at that do be kin re. Ona Dorishi una na control. He Dorishi mama. It was properly planning. In my mind. Oh, you are clicking it. What your mother? Oh, I don't pay it. What the F what? I'm not dying, maybe you're very good. I guess survive. Oh, here when I will be maybe. That woman will wake up. I'm mother. I'm not on our. We have where I'm your oyi digwe o ga le ronu we Dorishi ewe ebo ware o wa we mate so ne bo na wa were and ebo gare sit no ma understand deep down in your heart when you to get na omuwo na nu as a trust no ha we no we emi ra we je Nigeria rugu ya bo wa hen we ge edo ya sunu ma understand we ge edo ya sunu no. Oh, gume ya bo wa me. Do maybe why maybe I can 10 bag ya la we bag do 15 bag we not aye 15 bag we re for we man. Anyway ya gbenu we ye a document one we was there to here is or what. O mama re o here is or what ba. O ma bi no here is or what ba. O we gbe e shetro o we go again we destroy life. O we destroy life. Why I destroy life here? Oh, not but 40 years in my marrying. Or my beer after many years in Europe. economic ke 30 something amona ke 30 close to 40,000 euro dorishi o wana gwe ni igo ni o wana gwe wa ni esuwigo ta 40,000 euro no mu je munyenye ola mu sopa go Dubai we na mi igo ni you can go to bed and sleep dorishi wa love lave dorishi daddy man na love you advice na my no my video wa love lave dorishi. This is just too much. Or too much, be. 5,000 me, 10,000 euro. Now we are 10,000 euro. We follow him. Ma we ne. Jimmy. No, Richie. Are we going here with Decky Kekano? When you going here with Decky? When you going here with Donkey Richie? My brother. Well, return a property. I'm a property money. Wa return it to imegwe ga ni bie kero ade wa tana me yiba de na we ya wa mai bie o ma ye bie o ma ye mare akwa ye nebe don richi wetin now what you did is totally wrong wa correct wa mo wa na were gbe ya mu na were gbe u ya mu na were gbe mami when the book agbe se to de yo gbo na ogbu ohun na too much gbe or too much gbe this is too much obungbe ma understand me na yan so no here to they take the issue can do talk when he can't I sing cause man so ya think I say they don't know tell you where the issue can do talk omo na we as the issue wan buy land I can't support her with money. I can't my sister only a cancel no. I love you raw or not supported. They too love you raw where you know. I don't know how to support. I'm something stranger. Maybe as the rich they build a house, I can't support her with money. That is a total different matter. Or what look at. Maybe Magide Nigeria na we na do motor na here feel. Wa gele do motor no wa ba gele you wa enjoy. But in this case, again, anyway, near fiancé, me, you only daughter. The original have a mutual no, inigo, you know, my fiancé. The original have more, you know, to here, or monawaki go. Oh, buy a my buffer. On a walk I cash on what in the original. Only my no, Benagbo Yotowo, Bebo, Omomaveno. A lovey and a trust in other army. Almost a decade level estimate the rich estimate on a giom on a kigo, not in a doration on almost a decade level. You don't have a decade a dorishi on our swab your way with him. I got the way, ya was somewhere where I swear where our ya bejo. E don original the estimate na ya we deki ona the name or more. I think almost a roof level the original the estimate ona the gomo elmo wa zero na ya fefefe o. Omo na we must a roof level is a roof level ne the original we not when the matter na wa na. You know hey we ya fefefe the original we 20,000 euro omo na oma. Ni wa make 20 so that emi ya wa fo e can I do say ya if we put in our close to 40,000 euro on a money dorishi on a mugodi on a dey po be ran ori oni yiwo e do shadow mo we only a day trailer head ye only a small business omo na wa we go rere on a money dorishi na eri oni obo dorishi na o my moto omo na do di moto dey ya original wa load ya ke ya segbe port no mo ya le we bo dorishi ko ya na bia container na mo ari Nigeria igo na ya cheap na ya clear o mo say ya dorishi is one ona gele wa complete one oyi wa ko wa we mi afefe ne ona iwa ka momo yen yiri e o yen ri okuno gbigbe agene dorishi obe ba wo ya ri yo ene ya mo wa ene igo no ri enu cash ni me go ni yi latian imoto vio arian o wa ene ni ma wa mi eni ya dorishi ya mo wa ene itama we na one turn a property to her, you are a very dubious fellow. I want nothing. You have a dubious and strong mind. How can you do that to your fellow human being? Why? When I want to work, we are going to be going. Oh, when you're not work boy. When you are going to have one of our boss with me. Almost with me. Go and return a property. That is terrible. You what a rubbish. Very useless thing. Oh, we don't reach it. Can you can't do it? Am I way on? Oh, we're done. I'm way ahead. I'm way you could. We are done. And we have a boyaga. Don't reach it. Go and return a property. Stop that crap and stop that nonsense. Okay? Stop it. Go and return our property to her. This is terrible. This is wickedness. This is evil in the highest place, in the highest order. I know you're doing Nuzomo. So I want the legend do I sort the rich so don't be insulting the woman like that. It wronged her. Man, every time I be love. Maybe I'll move on or trust her. Go your daughter, go your boy. And you're going to take an measure. Eh, a mamma rope when you might be in ever to hear the property for what? Some women in a kiss of one eye, the woman is still very hungry. They will not tell you where all more mo, ye matana, every bit the muffy. You understand? Maybe we're almost forgetting or move on. You may move on. That's almost okay. The rich are more. Because one of my move on, or my ye beer, or my marry, and be don't rishi, and be don't rishi, and be don't rishi again. Yeah, I'm going to win 10,000 euro, 50,000 euro highest. Also, when I have one be webo. On a mugoyan, Umago is Umago, when I plan when no gualibe. When I hear Nigeria flanger, when I motor where I flanger in Nigeria, and then you don't know what more. And then you do not ready for who we marry your booby again. Or is she? And return a property to her. It's for your own good. I understand. I know you're doing this. Some of I was. The rich no go find before. You gonna make already in Aena. Well, most of them, they take. Most of them are juju. They take. You collect money from my sister. Wait, so if not be juju, how you will be woman? Eh? You don't give man thousand, not be 100, not be 500, 1,000, 1,000 from 10,000, 30,000 water. Every 1,500, 1,000. Well, one more here. You not get document. When they make Italy, are Spain. Spain and Belgium. We body in Nigeria. When you gonna use you're gonna prostitute yourself. They work thousand. The man where they give the money, the man they go Nigeria, they come back, they go they enjoy himself. They go there, go carry one better woman put for them. Maybe when you are dating, maybe when you university. A boy Dorisha have me we go there. Oh yeah, university no. I don't know what I hear bitter. The rich woman wine, the woman go bitter. She go there, cha. Equal. Oh, my hobby. Montame. Everybody may be a Hamila. Mammy get Naya. Ununaya, we love you when now. Or tell me, my love in hate you. I will always so. Egg out way. And I get friendly man. Why what? It will change like a monster. You know, and I want to me where a Dorishi wa we do now. Dorishi. Mo walk one ne vi moto e catch no re nu vio we re vio ni. Mami o wa re ni no nu gun bo yin ni. Eni ya fie we re nu vie be ne. Do my boy come back to Europe. Eru wa la me go or moto no we village yawa. De bungalow no go we boyo. Wa we bonek buwa. Man, understand? You have to be your brother's keeper. It will allow the bungalow no village. So why you fan? It will so to. Man, understand? O me gede gino wo o have ye say we are here and more power give your leg be here. The richi go and give her property, but o marry marry waste their time. You know, give her a property back. She's hungry. She's vexed. She's bitter. Or I mean, give her a property back. Give her a property back. And Emma, you were nana. Because we're own way. I have a gege. Property who know what you in. What yene is terrible. Ah, I bet you like the evil. A trailer no when you don't Rishi. I don't want the trailer where. Don't Rishi. Please. Give her a property. A wicked soul. I don't want nonsense. If not be juju, how the woman go to prostitute herself? They give you thousands of euro. Why? Because of you go give her one ring and we go for a chino the shop. I don't want nonsense. This is wickedness in the highest order. I'm worse. I want somebody. Una you go. Una ya a brave man or a brave. I gonna be a very narrow to the kabaka way. You go, my sister. I have to go work. Don't waste your money. Mother, because I know you man keep a documentation. We don't trust you. How many dorishi? Also, mona. I book when they are go ebo. Oh, you keep a document. They are gira. What the hell is that? You know? So I trust you how many way fiancé we no. That is the reason why. Otherwise, I trust you how many. My God, boy, you go do the way for you marry away. What better be na nana? And also, I mean, that's social media. He a don now. This don. What making a don? What making a don? Now we go. Nana. A donation I can walk away. Why we are rest in peace. A boy on the FIR. Yeah, they can have peace. Yeah, okay. I want to move one in there. Or the woo, or I will rest in peace, or the way rest in peace. Because you have wronged wrong very badly. That is too much. Too much. It's too much. It's too much. Or dig back, or too much. Or too much. Baby, I don't. I got water. I know you're doing some why I always say. When I always say the issue, I have no more movie here. No movie here. A web will go rugby. I go water. Oh, we are going to go well. 9 to 5 is to all rugby. All rugby. Even someone winning the Yenaya. I don't money and I'm in Nigeria. My mother, my father. Oh, well, Tona, yeah, wow, also. I will not be carrying your responsibility. I can't afford it. I just can't. But if you have parents, they have to feed well. That's it. More than parents, the rest can go and do this for themselves. Oh, but 1 hour meal, after the girl have suffered over the years, to do where I hear documents. Or my beer, or my own door. Don't Rishi. Egbani gani ala na webo yo maye Nigeria. O maye Nigeria, O maye Nigeria no ya la webo. O maye Nigeria no ya la webo. Someone like total na yan. O ga mi wani agba la webo. Eni ye Nigeria, eni we mo bungalow ni webo yan we. Salo ba we se me reaje. Yan we mi we ni to Nigeria. Ya o ga total do awo ni gbe. O we enti e ma mi go. Enti e ma ki go. Enti e ma ri go no we no bo wa kenyin. But at the end of the day, yena, be or why I am mammy, ye my own dog, ye may be a Dorishi. Returning and around 30 while we are in, where I feel we are.